हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ आर यू ऑल। आई होप कि आप सभी बहुत अच्छे होंगे और आप सभी ने जो पिछला चैप्टर है वो अच्छे से कंप्लीट कर लिया होगा। सो नाउ लेट्स मूव इनटू द चैप्टर नंबर 10 एंड द चैप्टर नेम इज रिलेटिव क्लॉजेस। तो चलिए जानते हैं क्लॉजेस के बारे में। A clause is a part of a sentence that contains a subject and a predicate. Clause जो है वो एक sentence का part होता है जो कि एक subject contain करता है और एक predicate contain करता है. Okay, a relative clause tells us which person or thing the speaker means is normally introduced by words like who, which, that, those, whom, or where. It is or where it is in fact an adjective clause describing some noun or pronoun. तो रिलेटिव क्लॉज जो है वो हमें बताता है कि कौन सा पर्सन और थिंग जो है द स्पीकर मीन, मतलब जो स्पीकर है वो बोलना चाह रहा है, इज नॉर्मली इंट्रोड्यूस बाय कौन से वर्ड से इंट्रोड्यूस होता है, हु, विच, दैट, दोज, हुम से इंट्रोड्यूस होता है। ठीक है, एंड इट इज इनफैक्ट एन एडजेक्टिव क्लॉज जो डिस्क्राइब करता है किसको, नाउन को और प्रोनाउन को। जैसे कि अ जेंटलमैन हु लिव्ड इन आवर नेबरहुड केम टू आवर हेल्प। तो यहाँ पर हु किसके लिए यूज किया गया, जेंटलमैन के लिए यूज किया गया है, यानी कि आपका रिलेटिव क्लॉज हो गया हु लिव्ड इन आवर नेबरहुड। ओके, तो ये आपका रिलेटिव क्लॉज हो गया। Who lived in our neighborhood tells us which gentleman. Okay, God help those who help themselves. तो God who help themselves tell us what kind of people. Okay, कौन से तरीके के लोग. Okay, now the first one is who. We use who in a relative clause when we are talking about people, not things. हम who का use करते हैं relative clause में जब हम लोगों के बारे में बात कर रहे हो, ना कि चीजों के बारे में. Okay, we use it in a place of he, she और they. Okay, हम इसको he, she और they की जगह use करते हैं, जैसे कि the man he committed the murder has been arrested. Okay, तो इसका कैसे हो जाएगा, द मैन हु कमिटेड द मर्डर हैज बीन अरेस्टेड. ओके, द पीपल दे लिव इन बिग सिटीज हैव अ पोर हेल्थ. द पीपल हु लिव इन बिग सिटीज हैव अ पोर हेल्थ. ओके, ही इज द मैन हु इज वेरी पॉपुलर. तो आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पर हु का यूज हो रहा है. ओके, now what is the name of the man who took you to the hospital? A conductor is a person who collects fares on a bus. anyone who is interested is Anyone who is interested in taking part in this play should contact Mr. Rahul Singh. Okay, in most cases we can use that in place of who. बहुत सारे केसेस में हम that use कर सकते हैं in place of who. Okay, जैसे कि the girl that stood first in row is the clean my cousin. The girl that stood first in row is my cousin. Okay, next one, the people that live in big cities have a poor health. Okay, now the next is which that. We use which or that in a relative clause when we are talking about thing. Okay, हम which और that का use करते हैं relative clause में जब हम किसी चीज के बारे में बात कर रहे हो, not people. Okay, where are the newspaper? They were lying on the table. Where are the newspaper which were lying on the table or that were lying on the table? दोनों का ही use कर सकते हैं. Next one, the mobile phone which I wanted to buy was very expensive. Yeah, the mobile phone that I wanted to buy was very expensive. Next one, this is the house that Rahul built. This is the house which Rahul built. Next one, I work for a company which produces gas stove. I work for a company that produces gas stove. Okay, now the use of that. That can normally be used in place of both who or who and which. That जो है वो who and which की जगह use हो सकता है, but there are two certain conditions where we have to use that. तो कुछ ऐसे condition है जिसमें दो ऐसे certain condition जिसमें हमें that का use करना होता है. जैसे कि फर्स्ट कंडीशन है आपका, वी यूज दैट आफ्टर एडजेक्टिव इन द सुपरलेटिव डिग्री. सुपरलेटिव डिग्री में एडजेक्टिव के बाद हम दैट का यूज करते हैं, जैसे कि मिस्टर सिंह was one of the best speaker that spoke on homeopathy. This is the most ridiculous movie that has ever hit the screen. Okay, next condition is we use that after the words all, any, anything, none, nothing, etc. हम that का use करते हैं इन words के बाद, जैसे कि all, any, anything, nothing, none. Okay, जैसे कि he approved of nothing that I did. This is all that I possesses. Okay, now that what cannot be used in place of that. what जो है वो that की जगह हम use नहीं करते हैं. ठीक है, इसका करेक्ट फॉर्म आप देख सकते हो, I am sorry for what happened. I am sorry for the thing that had happened. Okay, that happened. नेक्स्ट रॉन्ग क्या हो जाएगा इसमें, आई एम सॉरी फॉर दैट हैपेंड. तो ये तो गलत हो जाएगा. ओके, करेक्ट फॉर्म आई एम सॉरी फॉर ऑल दैट हैपेंड. ओके, नॉट ऑल व्हाट हैपेंड. ओके, Now the next one is omission of who, which, that. It is sometimes possible to omit who, which, that from the relative clause. कभी कभी हमें who, which या फिर that को हटाना पड़ता है relative clause से. Let us take some example. जैसे कि first one आपको दिया है, the surgeon who did the operation was very competent. The surgeon did the operation. Okay, तो who मतलब यहाँ पर कौन है? surgeon है. Who, the surgeon, is the subject of the verb did. Okay. Next one, I have lost the bag which contained my confidential documents. Which क्या है आपका? The bag contained my confidential documents. Which, the bag, is the subject of the verb contained. Okay. We must use who, which, that if the subject of the relative clause. Okay, we cannot say I have lost the bag contained my. ओके ऐसे नहीं बोल सकते हम. बट समटाइम्स हु विच दैट इज द ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ द वर्ब. कभी कभी हु विच दैट जो है वो ऑब्जेक्ट होता है वर्ब का. जैसे कि आपको यहाँ पर एग्जांपल भी दे रखा है, द पुल ओवर विच श्वेता निटेड प्रूव्ड वेरी यूजफुल. ओके विच यहाँ पर क्या है? पुल ओवर है. श्वेता निटेड द पुल ओवर. Okay, next one is the DVD player that I wanted to buy was beyond my means. Okay, I wanted to buy the DVD player. Okay, that the DVD player is the object हो गया of to the buy. Okay, to buy, which आपका pullover हो गया is the object of the knitted. Okay, when, who, which, that is the object. When we can leave it out. Okay, we can say the pullover Shweta knitted proved very useful. Okay, the DVD player I wanted to buy was beyond my means. Okay. Now next one is preposition in relative clause. Notice the position of preposition to, at, with, etc. in relative clause. तो इनकी position हमें notice करना है. जैसे कि I can't find the dress. I am looking for it. I can't find the dress which I am looking for, or that I am looking for. Next one, the room we slept in it last night was very untidy. The room in which we slept in last night was very tidy. The room that we slept in last night was very tidy. Okay, we can leave out, हम leave कर सकते हैं who, which, that in these sentences. Okay, now let's talk about whose. In relative clause we use whose in place of his, her, their. His, her, their के जगह हम whose का use करते हैं. जैसे कि the man his leg is in plaster is my uncle. Okay, तो इसका first point आप देख सकते हो. The man whose leg is in plaster is my uncle. Okay, I congratulated the woman, her daughter had won the prize. I congratulated the woman whose daughter had won the prize. Okay, we use whose mostly for people, लोगों के लिए use करते हैं, but sometimes it can be used for thing also. कभी कभी ये thing के लिए भी use कर सकते हैं. जैसे कि I was invited to a meeting whose purpose I did not understand. किसका purpose? Meeting का purpose. Okay, now next one is whom. Whom is the objective form of who. whom जो है वो ऑब्जेक्टिव फॉर्म है किसका? who का. सो इट शुड बी यूज्ड इन प्लेस ऑफ him, her, them. इनकी जगह हम whom का यूज कर सकते हैं. The official we approached him couldn't tell us much. The official whom we approached couldn't tell us much. Okay, but in spoken English it is not common. To use whom. It is preferred to use who or that or nothing. ओके तो कॉमन इंग्लिश में ये मतलब कॉमन नहीं होगा कि हम यूज करें whom को. ठीक है, तो इट इज प्रेफर्ड, मतलब ये प्रेफर रहेगा कि हम who, that और nothing का यूज करें. जैसे कि आप यहाँ पर देख सकते हो, the official who we approached couldn't tell us much. The official we approached couldn't tell us much. Okay, we can use whom with a preposition to whom, with whom. Okay, the man with whom we signed the agreement backed out. The person whom we talked refused to give us any information. Okay, but even these sentences are written without whom. पर ये जो sentences है, ये जो sentences है ये बिना whom के भी लिखे जा सकते हैं. ठीक है, जैसे कि the man we signed the agreement with backed out. The person we talked refused to give us any information. Now let's see the use of where. In a relative clause we can use where to talk about place. ठीक है, जगह के बारे में. It is used in place of there. The city I was born there had a big sport market. The city where I was born had a big sport market. Okay, next one. I long for a place I could get some peace of mind there. I long for a place where I could get some peace of mind. Okay, I do not know the place where she was born. This is the garden where roses of all colors are grown. Okay. Now the next thing is relative clauses defining and non-defining. रिलेटिव क्लॉज आर ऑफ टू काइंड्स, दो तरीके के होते हैं रिलेटिव क्लॉज। पहला है डिफाइनिंग रिलेटिव क्लॉज, दूसरा है नॉन डिफाइनिंग रिलेटिव क्लॉज। सो द फर्स्ट वन, अ डिफाइनिंग रिलेटिव क्लॉज डिस्क्राइब द प्रीसीडिंग नाउन in such a way as to distinguish it from other nouns of the same class। दूसरे नाउन से डिस्टिंग्विश करने के लिए यूज करते हैं। इट गिव एसेंशियल इन्फॉर्मेशन इन ऑर्डर टू आइडेंटिफाई हु और व्हाट इज बीइंग टॉक्ड अबाउट, मतलब कौन और किसके बारे में ये बात हो रही है। ओके इसके एग्जाम्पल भी आपको दे रखी है, जैसे कि वी स्टेड एट द होटल विच संगीता हैड रिकमेंडेड, आई वर्क फॉर अ कंपनी विच प्रोड्यूसेस स्पोर्ट्स गुड, आई एम लुकिंग फॉर द गर्ल हु हैड टेकन अवे माई बुक। Okay. In the above examples, the relative clause tells us which person or thing, किस person ने बोला है और किस मतलब कौन सी चीज है, ठीक है, और what kind of person or thing. Okay, the speaker means the hotel which Sangeeta had recommended tells us which hotel. Okay, a company which produces sports good tells us what kind of company. Okay, the girl who had taken away my book tells us which girl. Okay, this type of relative clause को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Is called a defining clause. Okay, जो अच्छे से define कर रहा है. Now next is non-defining. A non-defining relative clause is used to quality a noun that is already definite. ठीक है, जो कि पहले से ही definite है, उसके बारे में बता रहा है वो. Hence, it does not define the noun but gives additional information about it. If the clause is removed, अगर clause को remove कर देंगे, we can still identify who or what is being talked about. किसके बारे में बात हो रही है हम तब भी identify कर लेंगे. The relative clause is separated from the noun by comma. हम comma से separate करते हैं, जैसे कि for example, we stayed at Sundar Palace with Sangeeta. We stayed at Sundar Palace which Sangeeta had recommended. Okay, तो आप देख सकते हो कॉमा का यूज है यहाँ पर. I work for Janssen Private Limited, comma, which produces sports good. I am looking for Sonali who has taken away my book. In the above example, the relative clause do not tells us which person or thing the speaker means. We already know which person or thing is meant. हमें पहले से ही पता है कि कौन से person और thing के बारे में बात हो रही है. Sundar Palace, Janssen Private Limited, Sonali, it gives us extra information. ये हमें बता रहा है about the same person or thing. Okay, this type of relative clause को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Non-defining clause. Now some important points should be remembered about defining and non-defining clauses. जैसे कि point number 1 है आपका, commas are not used with defining clauses. जैसा हमने देखा कि defining clauses के साथ हम comma का use नहीं करते, जैसे कि a conductor is a person who collects fare on a bus, तो यहाँ पर comma का use नहीं है. I know a person who can speak 25 languages, यहाँ पर भी नहीं है comma का use. But non-defining clauses are set off by comma. Non-defining में comma का होना important है, जैसे कि my grandfather who is 90 years old believes that the earth is flat. Okay, I can't live at Indore which is far away from the seaside. तो यहाँ पर आप comma देख सकते हो non-defining में. Now point number 2, in defining clause that can be used in place of who, which, where. जैसे कि कुछ ऐसे defining clause है जिसमें that जो है वो हम use कर सकते हैं कौन किसकी जगह में, who और which की जगह में, ठीक है. We are looking for someone who or that holds an MBBS degree. Okay, we all stay at a hotel which that serves only the food. Serves only that food. Okay, तो यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हो डिफाइनिंग क्लॉज में इसका यूज. नेक्स्ट, बट इन नॉन डिफाइनिंग क्लॉज दैट इज नॉट यूज. दैट को हम यूज नहीं करते हैं, जैसे कि अभिनव हु holds an MBBS degree is working as a CMO on this hospital. Okay, we will stay at Crystal Palace Hotel which and not that serves only that food. Okay, तो यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हो which का use instead of that in this non-defining clause. Now, point number 3, in defining clause, we can leave out who, which, that when it is the object. हम who, which, that को leave out कर सकते हैं, ठीक है. जैसे कि the hotel which you recommended, ये हम नहीं put करेंगे इसमें. Served only non-vegetarian food. We need someone whom we can trust. Okay, in these sentences, whom or which can be left out. Okay, in non-defining clause, we cannot leave out. हम नहीं छोड़ सकते हैं who और which को. Okay, जैसे कि the Crystal Palace Hotel which you recommended served only non-vegetarian food. Okay, ऐसे ही we cannot say the Crystal Palace Hotel you recommended, ऐसे नहीं बोल सकते. We have employed Avnish who we can trust. Okay, we cannot say we have employed Avnish we can trust, ऐसे नहीं कर सकते हम इसमें. Okay, now the next one is joining sentences. It is often possible to join two sentences into one by making one of them a relative clause, जिसमें हम एक को क्या बना देंगे, relative clause बना देंगे. Here are some example. Point number 1, everyone adores Anandita. Anandita is the head girl of our school. Everyone adores Anandita, comma, who is the head girl of our school. Okay, next one. A woman opened the door. She welcomed me warmly. The woman who opened the door welcomed me warmly. Okay. आई होप स्टूडेंट दैट यू अंडरस्टूड दिस चैप्टर, और आपका होमवर्क है कि आपको इसकी फॉलोइंग एक्सरसाइज पार्ट को कंप्लीट करना है. नाउ आई एम गोना मीट यू इन अनदर क्लास. टिल देन स्टूडेंट्स, बाय बाय.